Sweetheart. Hi, pretty bird. How's that pretty bird? How's that beautiful bird? Hi, pretty bird. Love that pretty bird. There's my pretty bird. Oh, you're so beautiful. Look at you. Look at that pretty bird. You gonna come let me pet you, pretty girl? Yes, you are. She wants to be petted. Come here, pretty bird. Aw, sweetheart. I'm not dumb. You've got to hold on to something with your mouth. There you go. There you go. That's my pretty girl. Oh, I just love that beautiful little bird. I do. I love you, pretty bird. Little pretty bird. Aw, sweetheart. Now, we're not doing it tonight, but you're going to think about my arm again and think about it in a polite fashion. Yes, you are. I'm not letting you step up yet. Come here. You want to be petted? Yes, she does. No, you're not coming out because you can be badly behaved. No, sweetheart. No, baby girl. Not till you learn properly. We're going to work on that. That's what we're working on. I want you to be able to. Where's that pretty bird? Come here and let me pet you. Let me pet my pretty bird. There you go. That's my pretty bird. That's my pretty bird. Aww. Learn to trust. Learn to trust, little one. You ready for a nap? Since you're being so good, you've been a good girl.